The following video is the second part of Hybribio's 21 HPV diagnostic test. We would be demonstrating to you the procedures of DNA hybridization and result interpretation. Before we begin, first prepare an ice bath. Once the real-time PCR has been completed, take the amplified DNA samples out of the thermal cycler. Denature these biotinylated PCR amplified samples at 95 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. You could either use a water bath or a steam bath. In this case, a steam bath was used. Once the samples have been heated for 5 minutes, place it into the ice bath immediately. To prevent the separated DNA from re-annealing, keep it frozen until Hybrimax has been assembled. After assembling the Hybrimax, change the desired temperature to 45 degrees Celsius. The temperature that is shown as the block temperature is the current temperature of the reaction chamber. Once it reaches 45 degrees Celsius, add 0.8 milliliter of 45 degrees Celsius pre-warmed hybridization solution to each of the sample wells. After the addition, close the lid and incubate it for 3 minutes. After the incubation, open the lid. Turn on the pump to pump away all the solvents. Once the solvent has been pumped away, turn off the pump. Then add 0.5 milliliters of pre-warmed hybridization solution to each of the designated sample wells. Setting your pipette to 25 microliters. Add all the denatured DNA samples into the designated sample wells. Whilst adding, be careful not to touch the inside of the grid but just the lines on the grid. Also, remember to change the micropipette tip after each addition. Once you've added the samples into the wells, close the lid and incubate it for 20 minutes. Then, turn on the pump. With the pump turned on, wash the membrane with 0.8 milliliters of hybridization solution. After the first wash, turn off the pump. Then change the desired temperature to 25 degrees Celsius.